In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed bigger Google Sheets. Start by opening the Google Sheet you want to share. This should be the version that is ready for other people to view, because the next part will publish it for the web. Once the sheet is open, go to the top left and click File. In the File menu, choose Publish to Web. This is the option that creates a public viewing link that can be embedded on a site. In the Publish to the Web window, make sure you are on the Link option. This is important because you need the published link first, before you place it on your page. Click into the area where the link appears and highlight the full link so it is selected. Then copy it. Take your time to grab the entire link, because missing even a small part can cause the embed to fail. Next, confirm that your sheet is actually published. In that same publishing area, click where it shows it is published, so you can verify the status. If it is already published, you are good to go. If it prompts you to publish, complete that action so the link you copied will work for viewers. Now move over to the page where you want the bigger Google Sheet to appear, such as a Google Sites page you are editing. Click the area on the page where you want the sheet to go, and click the highlighted field where you can paste a link. Paste in the published link you copied from Google Sheets. After pasting it, click the highlighted option to continue or apply the link, so the site recognizes it and prepares the embed. Once the link is accepted, click the highlighted placement option on the page to confirm where it will appear. Then go to the right side panel or the top menu and click Insert. This final insert action places the embedded sheet onto your page so it displays directly on the site instead of forcing visitors to open a separate tab. After it is inserted, you can adjust the size on the page so it appears bigger and easier to read, but the key part is that the sheet is now embedded using the published link. And that is all there is to it.